Morning, you guys. How we doing today? Today we're gonna do a repair on this shingle right here. As you can see, got a little bit of granule loss and everything, some creasing and stuff. But we'll go ahead and test the pliability of this shingle. Good thing it's not too hot this morning. It's a little bit shady. We are using the appropriate tool, a good roof snake. I do want to point out first off, show y'all first, these nails are completely flush. But that first one up there, we had some nail pull throughs, but there is some good bit of material transfer. Good bit of material transfer. But as you can see, even the brittleness of just trying to lift up this shingle, just to show y'all the nail just rips. Not trying to do it on purpose, just like I said, just trying to pick it up. Even to look at the nail. Get a nail pull throughs right here. Morning. How you guys doing today? I thought you guys speaking to the homeowner. Pass me over. Meat mallet. I'm already dying of sweat. I told you it was gonna be hot. Tell him, Lord Jesus, if you love me, you'll turn off that heater. Even that, as you can see, trying to put that nail back in that hole it was, just eating through this brittle shingle right there. We're almost done here. After that repair, obviously the material transfer, the sealant, the material transfer that it has everywhere, you know, that's the proper sealant for it to, you know, sit down and, you know, not unseal whenever there's wind coming. The nail pull throughs, just tearing along that line, trying to just pull the nails out one by one, even using the roof snake. Obviously the tears, because it's brittle whenever you're just picking up, just to get the nail out. The roof snake eating it right here because the old hole was all the way back there. All in all, the shingle is, you really can't tell if it creased up much because it's already creased up. It already got a good bit of granule off. Yeah, you can see it's a lot of granules just right here in the gutter. But it's an obvious fail. Even just without even counting the tears and the little eating, just the material transfer and the nail pull throughs, you know, just indication to the sealant. And then, you know, the nails just tearing right through the nail line. But if you like, just let me know. I'll go ahead and send that shingle out for you so this way you can get it tested. But, you know, hoping this is good enough just to bring, hopefully this repair shows you that we need to be able to bring the roof back to its 100% integrity, back to pre-loss conditions. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Have a good morning.